Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Do Not Disturb while driving on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if your Samsung Galaxy A54 automatically turn on Do Not Disturb while driving, and now you want to turn this off, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do is you want to go ahead and open the settings application. Once you open the settings app on your Samsung A54 5G, scroll down, locate and click on Safety and Emergency. Once you click on that, locate Silence Notification while driving. And I should say Do Not Disturb while driving. If Do Not Disturb while driving is turned on here, go ahead and disable it by toggling off this button. And then you're good. So whenever your Samsung A54 detects that you are driving, it is not going to turn on Silence Notification automatically or turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. So that is basically how to turn off Do Not Disturb while driving on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.